Have you ever wanted to take on a woodworking project but held back because you thought you did not have the experience or the confidence? Do you ever feel like your woodworking projects never live up to your expectations? Do you wish that your completed projects in wood can just make people stop and say, "Wow"? Then you are going to want to pay close attention, because within the next few minutes I'm going to show you how you can turn your woodworking results from ordinary into breathtaking. If you watch this brief presentation to the end, you will discover how you can experience more joy and satisfaction from your woodworking than you would ever have thought possible. Hello, my name is Crispin Thomas, and all my life I've been addicted to woodworking. Now, whether you have been practicing your woodworking skills for many years or you are a complete beginner, I am going to show you how you can build anything you want in wood without having to spend days and weeks researching or looking for woodworking plans or any of that stuff. What is more, you will be able to do this even if you work in just a small garage or workshop and with just basic tools. Now, if you have ever tried to build anything in wood, then you already know that it can take a lot of time, effort, and not to mention expense. And it's all too easy for even what originally looked like a straightforward project to get really complicated and end up in frustration and failure. At the very least, your results will not encourage you to continue. These days, it's very tempting to just jump online and start searching for free plans or watching YouTube videos. But the problem with this approach is that many free plans do not give you all the details you need. They simply assume that you already have the necessary tools and skills to implement the steps they outline. A similar thing happens with YouTube videos. There just isn't enough time to show you everything you need to know in a short video that compresses days of work into a few minutes. The result is the same. Your projects will never turn out as you expected, and you may feel like just slowing down or even quitting. It can be very frustrating. And that's not all. Many of us woodworkers are weekend warriors and do our woodworking in our spare time. And even our workspace may be very limited, perhaps just the corner of a garage or basement. So your biggest challenge can be how to make the best use of your limited time and space without compromising the quality of your results, while still making time to spend with your family and friends. This is the challenge I had not so long ago. I remember how frustrated I felt because I too had just a small space in my garage to do my woodworking. I used to spend more time setting up and packing away my tools and workbench than actually practicing my woodworking, so my progress was painfully slow. And I could only really do this on a weekend because I had a regular job which consumed my time during the week. So yes, I loved my woodworking, but the going was really rough at times, and it was hard to keep myself motivated. I can't tell you how many projects I started and never finished, or how much money I wasted because of ruined, expensive materials, not to mention great project ideas that just never got started at all. Then a dramatic change came when I started watching Norm Abrams' New Yankee Workshop series on television. It was great. Now, if you ever saw Norm in action, he would give the most comprehensive treatment to each project, including the history of the piece, the thinking behind its use and dimensions. He would even explain why he chose the materials he did, the type of joinery he used, material preparation, assembly, and final finishing. Without even realizing it, Norm became my personal woodworking trainer and mentor. Gradually, my projects became more methodical and enjoyable, and I finally started having the results I could be proud of. Even my wife would be amazed at the quality and strength of what I was building, versus what was being sold in the stores. Since then, I have always been looking in vain for a complete online system where woodworkers like us can find all the resources we need in one convenient place, saving ourselves valuable time and eliminating costly mistakes and frustration, so we can spend less time searching and researching and more time doing what you really love: woodworking. Then a couple years ago, just because I could not find what I was looking for, I finally decided to use my professional skills in project management and software engineering to first build my own woodworking blog and finally my own woodworking system. This is a unique system that is unlike anything you would have seen before. It's called the Woodworkers Treasure Chest. Woodworkers Treasure Chest is a woodworking tool created by a woodworker for woodworkers like you. It is crammed full of thousands of high-quality woodworking plans. However, it is not just a huge folder of plans just thrown together, but it is an integrated woodworking system that guides you step by step along in all your projects. This way, you get more done and achieve more consistent results and experience more satisfaction. For example, our signature Woodworkers Project Wizard helps you to select not just the right plan, but also the construction materials, tools, type of joints, and even helps you to plan your final finishing. And there are tons of other features, including video tutorials and 3D interactive plans that you just must see. To access all these exciting woodworking resources, all you need to do is to grab your exclusive lifetime membership. But before you do, please read through the rest of the material on this page so you can appreciate clearly how WTC will dramatically improve your woodworking experience not just today, but for years to come. Also, in addition to the 7 WTC features, I'm also including today 7 free woodworking bonuses that you can use to enhance your woodworking skills immediately. To learn more about these bonuses, our Woodworkers Calculator app, our 60-day satisfaction guarantee, and what other satisfied WTC members are saying about their experience, just continue reading to the end of this page or click on the button under this video to take action right now. And let your Woodworkers Treasure Chest's lifetime membership transform your woodworking from ordinary into breathtaking. Looking forward to seeing you inside very soon.